A warm welcome to everyone from the SalesPanda team. In this particular segment of the series, we will learn about WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp, owned by Facebook Incorporated, offers simple, secure, reliable messaging and calling available on phones all over the world. More than 2 billion people in over 180 countries use WhatsApp, with India having 400 million plus monthly active users. WhatsApp users send about 65 billion messages per day, which is about 750,000 messages per second. WhatsApp status has 450 million daily active users. 3 million plus businesses have already taken the leap by using the WhatsApp for Business app. These numbers clearly indicate that it's imperative to include WhatsApp as part of your overall digital marketing strategy. WhatsApp is available in 3 different versions. First, WhatsApp Personal, the regular WhatsApp used by majority of the users for staying connected with their friends and family anytime, anywhere. 2. WhatsApp Business API. It's a version developed for larger companies with a global customer base. It requires an approval by a WhatsApp partner to start using WhatsApp Business API version of the app. The commercials are charged per message and depends on the destination country of the message and the type of message. Third, WhatsApp Business app. It is specifically designed for small businesses and a free to use. It provides tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to messages. Most of us are familiar with how the WhatsApp Personal app functions. For small businesses, WhatsApp Business could be very useful as it has all the features available in the normal WhatsApp version plus some more. If you switch from WhatsApp Personal to WhatsApp Business, all your backed up data will be transferred to the WhatsApp Business app. Ensure you take a backup of your WhatsApp data before switching it. Let us look at the steps involved. Download the WhatsApp Business app from the Android Play Store or Apple Store. Click Agree and Continue. Share your contact details and verify the code sent to you. It will ask you to permit it to check for backup. Once you give permission, it will restore the backed up data. It will then take you to the business profile page. Let us now set up our business profile. The WhatsApp Personal display picture and the text below it is auto-filled here. You may change your display picture and add your company logo if you wish to. You can also edit the description and add more details about your business or the product or services you offer. Keep it crisp, to the point, and show how you add value to your customers. You can add the office location, set your business timings, add email ID, and add multiple website URLs. You can use it to add links to your social media profiles, blogs, YouTube channel, etc. Now, go to Business Settings to see the other features available in WhatsApp Business. The catalog feature can be used to showcase different products or services you use along with its description, specific link, and product or service code if any. You may add the price too if you wish to. Adding the price is optional. Let me add one image and show. It will be sent to review. Once approved, it will be shown on your profile for the customers to see. You can also forward it to the selected contacts for review. Statistics will show you the number of messages sent, read, received, and delivered. If you have kept your read receipt in privacy settings as off, you will not be able to see any statistics. The short link provides you a unique link that can be used by customers to chat with you. You can share this link in your messages, ads, etc. So to enable people who click on this link to directly chat with you on WhatsApp. It can be a handy tool to respond quickly to queries from your customers or even for customer service. You can also set a default message that the customers can send when they open your short link. The linked account section shows whether your WhatsApp number is linked to your Facebook account or not. To link it, log into your Facebook account. Go to your Facebook page, click Settings, scroll down to WhatsApp number, choose your country code and add your WhatsApp number. Facebook will send a WhatsApp message on the number you have added with a code. Once you confirm the code, your account will be linked to your Facebook page. You may choose to also add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. In the messaging tools section, you can set automated messages. Away messages is like an out-of-office response that a customer will get when they will message you on times when you are away or cannot respond. Switch it on. Click the pencil icon to compose an away message. You can also schedule the times at which this message should be sent. You can custom schedule it by defining the start time and the end time and decide whom it should be sent to. You can also choose to send it outside of office hours or send it always. You can also send a greeting message automatically, which will be sent to people messaging you for the first time or after 14 days of inactivity. By clicking the pencil icon, you can compose the message to be sent to them as greeting and save it. You can also save quick replies to automate frequently sent messages by you. You can add multiple such quick replies. You can add emojis and images in addition to the text. A/ followed by a word can be set as a shortcut. While chatting, once you tap / followed by the word, it will auto-populate the message in your message box. In case you want to change the text, edit it or else send it to the contact directly. You can also add a label to any chat and use it to find the text later. This can be very useful to categorize any inquiry for the services you offer and follow them up. For example, I can select a message, click on the 3 dots on the top right-hand side window and select Label Message. Choose the label which is applicable, or you may create a new label as well. These labels will be visible only to you and not to the opposite contact you were chatting with. You can access these labels from the WhatsApp Business Chat window by clicking on the 3 dots on the top right-hand corner and select Labels. From the same place, you can also opt to connect your WhatsApp on web. Select WhatsApp Web, which opens a barcode scanner. Now, on the desktop browser, open web.whatsapp.com and scan the code shown. Now, you can use WhatsApp on your browser and perform all these functions through the WhatsApp web. You can click the 3 dots on the top right-hand corner to create a new group. Click New Group, select and add the contacts to group. Type the group subject and add image. Share the group invite link with the contacts to invite them to join the group. Similarly, click New Broadcast, search, select and add the contacts you want to add in the broadcast list. You can have a maximum of 256 people in the broadcast list. Also, the contacts who will have your number added in their address book will receive the broadcast message. Once a broadcast list is created, you can label the broadcast list as well. This can be useful if you want to send a quick generic message to the customers who fall under one category. You can also share a WhatsApp status as a story on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Go to the Status tab, click on My Status, add an image and add a caption to the image. You can swipe up to add filters. You can also add emojis, add text or highlight a particular section of the image. Click Send. Once the status is shared, go to Status. Click My Status, click the 3 dots besides Views, then click Share, and then you can select Facebook Story or Instagram, whichever platform you want to share the story on. These are the different ways in which you can leverage WhatsApp, especially the business version, and create a strong connect with your customer. Let's do a quick recap about the things we looked at in this video. We learnt about the different versions of WhatsApp and understood the differences between them. We also looked at different WhatsApp business features, including automation of messages, labels, the statistics it provides, sharing WhatsApp status as a Facebook or an Instagram story, and also saw how to create groups and broadcast lists on WhatsApp. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.